Hey guys, what's going on? Happy Friday morning. Coming at you with my daily 8 a.m. video. Before I get into this video, make sure you like and subscribe, comment below. I'm gonna do something when I hit 1,000 subs. I'm gonna start, telling people this right now. So if you subscribe and type subscribed below, I'm gonna do something for probably 1 to 5 people, depending on how big I wanna make it. But I am gonna offer something to a random person that has said subscribed below in any of my videos. So for a chance to win, what I'm gonna do as I get closer, I'll reveal what it is, but it literally takes 1 second to hit subscribe and then hit subscribed below. That way you qualify. It's literally free. If you wanna hit the like button, that's much appreciated for the algorithm. So today I wanted to just say, obviously I say I make videos on when I buy things. I did buy 2 stocks yesterday in the afternoon. I bought Corsair Gaming, CRSR, and I bought Tattoo Chef, TTCF. I've actually been actively buying these guys for the past 2 months now. I've been going super heavy on Tattoo Chef. I feel like I'm beating a dead horse at this point, but per what I say in my videos, whenever I buy or sell something, I like making videos, just letting you guys know before the market opens, what I did, what percentage and all that stuff. So I actually was surprised the market had a major correction, like the small cap, growth companies got destroyed today, completely destroyed. At the end of the video, I'm gonna go through some of my positions in my portfolio and some of my watch list of what really got hit hard. There was no crazy news today either. It's just, I really think the market is correcting. I've made 3 or 4 videos solely on that, starting back in February on, I thought it was gonna come the next couple months. It almost came exactly when I said it was, and I did say it actually corrected a lot in the beginning of March. And I said, this is just the first leg. I think there's gonna be another one. I think the market could bleed off like this for the next couple, 2 to 6 weeks, but we'll see. So I'm prepared for really anything. So if the market goes up, great. If it stays stagnant, great. If it goes down, I have game plans for everything. So if you wanna know what my plan is, just obviously subscribe, and I'll basically say what I'm doing. So obviously today the market dropped a lot. Let me see what just because we're talking about these two right now, let me just pull it up and see what the drop was on Corsair Gaming. So today it closed at 32.83, so it had a 3.46% drop. It's not too bad. I was obviously bought the position at a cheaper price today, yeah. And then Tattoo Chef had a drop of 4.5%. That's crazy, especially what it's been going through. It's been sticking around the $15 to $18 range. And I bought today at $17.02. So it's a little down from what I bought. So both still great buys, obviously, but that leads into this. So I bought Corsair Gaming today at $32.62. That brings my average cost base to $36.08. I'm working it down slowly. The amount I bought yesterday for total amount of what I have in my portfolio, I put 8% more into that position. So, let's just say you have $100 in a stock. I added $8 to my 100. So usually what I like doing is, depending on how big my position is and how much it dropped, I like buying anywhere between 5 and 15% a shot. So when you go to buy stocks, you just want to make sure you don't just buy it once and have no money in case it goes down or whatever. So I like doing in 5 to 15% increase, basically, or increments. So this was 8%, excuse me. Tattoo Chef I bought today at $17.02. That makes my cost base, my average cost base now, $19.04. This was a 5% increase. So I'm basically, if you watch my previous videos, 98% built out, maybe even 99. So if this stock were to just run up or stay stagnant, again, I always say this, depending on what the market's doing, I'd be totally cool with not adding any one of my position. This is my second biggest position. This one, I'm probably 80% built out. I took this one a little slower because I feel like this is more rewarding long-term, in my opinion, but I'm about 80% built out. This is a top 5% position of mine. So I own 16, 17 stocks, if you haven't watched my previous videos. So I'm a long-term investor. So these are kind of the companies I'm really putting, my money where my mouth is, I guess. So what's my game plan? So I could see the market like I said in the beginning of the video, correcting down anywhere from, you know, I could see these stocks going anywhere from another 5% drop to a 10% drop. I couldn't see anything more than that. Like, I can't see this stock going under 28, and I can't see this stock going under 15. Like, I just can't see it. So if it goes down to those numbers, I'll definitely be actively adding more. Probably be focusing more on this one because I want to build this position out a little more. This one's, like I just said, 98 in my, you know, for me. If I were new to both these stocks, which one would I buy first? Obviously, Tattoo Chef. I'm really bullish on this guy. It's my second biggest position. It's a great buying opportunity. It's way below my cost base. So if you're starting out now, you're way ahead of me as far as like percentage of return. So you're buying $2 a share lower than me. So that's my game plan. If it goes up, great. I'll recoup some of my cash. I did say a couple weeks ago I was super cash heavy, 30%, 28%. Last week I was 22%, 24%-ish. Now I'm down to about 20% cash. So as I said in the videos after that first correction we had a couple weeks ago, I got a lot of comments and a lot of people messaging me saying, hey, I got nothing left in the tank. This is it. Like, I'm like, dude, like, it's just not a good approach if you do that. You always want to have cash on the sideline, and you got to be patient. So I've been slowly deploying my money. I'm happy I have 20%. I feel like I have more cash on the sideline for what's happening right now, for what I invested, than probably 75% of people, which is good. So that's a mindset you need to train yourself. You need to stay disciplined. If you think things are gonna continue to go down for a little bit, just based on some news you think is gonna happen, you gotta stay disciplined, like, and you know, hold cash to take advantage of opportunities. If you don't have cash, it puts you in a really bad situation if the market goes down. Good example, Coinbase. I bought a 342, love that position long-term, not selling it no matter what. It's down to 250 right now. I think I'm down 25%. So that is a position I'm looking at on my watch list, obviously, but that's a very long-term play for me because I think, you know, crypto is here to stay. They're the biggest, you know, broker in transactions. They're super profitable. I love it. I love their business model. I like their app. I use it. Like, I love everything about it, but I feel like these are going to run way quicker than what, you know, any crypto or brokerage is right now. So that's not really my focus. I'm just going to see where we're at here. Okay. Yeah. So, you know, but, you know, there's always, there's good opportunities right now in the market. Back in December, January, and February, it was very hard to say, hey, these are good buys. If you were to watch my beginning videos when I started my channel back in January, I literally didn't buy one stock for 6 to 7 weeks. And it was kind of weird because I was making this channel saying like, hey, I'm going to post when I buy or sell. I didn't buy anything for the first month and a half I made my channel, and I post videos daily. So it felt kind of weird. But like I said in those videos, I think I said at the beginning of February, I was like, listen, like, everything's so overvalued. When you run the numbers, nothing made sense to buy, nothing. So I didn't buy anything. I just kept building cash, building cash, building cash, building cash. So I was cool with that because I had some position of, like, I think I had like 50% of my position built out with Tattoo Chef. I probably had like 40% with Corsair Gaming at that time. But I knew this was going to happen. I just had to, it's just kind of like, once you understand how to value and you just see things coming, like when the Fed was saying that there's no inflation and this and that, and we're going to keep interest rates low, like, that's good for the market, kind of, as a short-term trader, because you're just going to keep making money. However, Warren Buffett basically called them out this week and said, yo, like, that's wrong. And look what the market did just based on Warren Buffett's answers. The market's panicking, it's correcting, it's, you know, so I think it's going to be for a rough ride. Can you imagine if the Feds come out and say, hey, we were wrong, APR is coming back quicker, we're going to raise the rates so the market cools off? Like, what's that going to do to the market? I mean, hedge funds are going to sell like crazy. So you just got to be like, I'm not worried about that, because guess what? If that happens, I'm just getting better deals on these companies and I got cash. So that's kind of the mindset you need. So some companies that had a big dip today, Beyond Meat, they got crushed. I can't believe they 9% dip today, completely annihilated, below my cost base. I think a couple weeks ago I was up like 40%. So that's a stock that I'm going to be looking out on. Coinbase down 6% today. It's crazy. Planet 13's down 5%. It's almost at a point where I want to buy, but it's not there yet. I'll make a video if I buy that. Space got tanked. Virgin Galactic got killed today, 4%. I'm going to make a video on that. I'll probably make it over the weekend, but there's reason to why I think that one's going down a little quicker than most. True Leaf got smoked today, 4%. Tattoo Chef, 4%. So that's all the ones I own. Uber got hit 8%. I don't own Uber, but that's crazy. What else got hit today hard? That's really it. The ones that are on my watch list that got smashed today. But yeah, so it's crazy. Again, like, subscribe, comment below. Really trying to get to 1,000 subs eventually. Really trying to make goals for myself. So 500 by the end of the month. If you want to do that, hit the subscribe button like I said. Write subscribe below, and I'll put you in a free entry to get something good. It might be, I don't even want to say it yet because it's going to be really cool. But so yeah, hit that subscribe button below, and I will, someone will win something, or multiple people. So that's all I got. Peace.